guys, what is up and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some DIY envelopes. First one is going to be really easy, but the second one is going to be a little bit harder to do. So, let's start with the easy one. You'll want paper and glue stick for both of them. So for the first one, the super simple easy one, just fold your paper in half, hot dog style, like this. And that's literally it for the first one. So you'll take your hot glue stick, not hot glue stick, put some along the sides, and then close it up like this. What you have to do is take your letter, which I just took a sheet of paper, folded it up hamburger style twice for this. Then you'll just slide it on into your envelope like this. Don't mind me having issues. You'll put it in like that, and then you'll take some glue along this, glue it closed, and then you would put the return address, the person you're mailing to, and then a stamp up here. That's all for that one, the simple one. Now, we have one that's a little bit harder, if you want to call it a little bit harder. So first, you'll take it like this, hamburger style, and fold it into thirds, like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. Mine's not folded perfectly either. Then you'll take it. Guess this is a lot easier than I thought. Now, me personally, I think it's easier when you fold down the corners. Like this. I know it's not perfect and you'll end up with a squared edge like that, but then you'll just fold it down and then like that. So you'll want to take your glue stick, put some glue along the corner, the folded corners. And fold those down. You can take like a gift card or whatever and smoothen it out some. Then you'll take your glue stick along these sides. Not the entire thing, just the two side edges. And then fold it up. Close the glue stick. There you go. Then you'll just take... Didn't seem to stick. Hopefully it'll work a second time. But after it dries, you'll just put your letter inside there, fold it down, then you could just use like a piece of tape or something to close that up. And then that's all. So, guess that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what you want to see in the next video. See ya!